Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up living room wooden wall panel slats. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to set up wooden panels in their living room. And so with that being said, let's go and get started with the video. Now the way that I actually set this up is that these right here are the wooden panels from Wood Veneer Hub. I'll leave a link to these down below in the description, but these were pretty easy to install. I simply just had to measure it out. So to give you context, my wall right over here is 12 feet by 8 feet. And so I used a circular saw to actually cut across the panels. I used the jigsaw to actually cut out the electrical outlet that you see right over there. And then I used a box cutter to cut between the felts just to be more refined, like right over here. And then I also used the sander to kind of smoothen out the edges where the circular saw actually made its cuts. Now, as far as installing these goes, I've seen on YouTube that you can use glue, you can use wooden anchors. The way I installed it is that I simply just use black drywall anchor screws. So you can see it right over here. And so I screwed these straight into the wooden wall panels and then straight into the wall. That's the way that I was able to actually install these wooden wall panels. So it was pretty much simple as that, guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.